So what just happened at security, Darren?
Oh my God, I've never had anything like that. Hey, his hands going to places where they don't belong. Water. This guy work it. It's like a glove. What are you gonna do with that? Leave it. Just gonna leave it right here in the driveway?
I was going to ask.
Off we go. Iceland.
For Darren's YouTube.
It's youtube.com/SWJ1984.
Okay. Wow, you remember my URL.
Been under like $20.
I believe you can add another 0 to that 20 for Brian's.
Yeah,
You can handle it. We'll make sure that store visit happens.
Well, just
She has people go places and get her dangly earrings.
Dangly earrings. Check.
We should make Icelandic
For your mom.
earrings.
Yeah.
Maybe we can.
We're gonna go to the beach, find some shells.
Oh wow.
Start from scratch.
If we're that crafty.
Make it all indigenous.
Indigenous, yeah.
Miss Pico, thank you so much
welcome.
for the
So
drop
nice. I
off.
look
We'll
forward to
see you in a
seeing
week. All right, we're here, Logan Airport. Surprisingly, there aren't a lot of people at the airport. Great, thank you very much for your help.
So what just happened at security, Darren?
Oh my God, I've never had anything like that. The guy, I went through the scanner, the guy said I had something in my private area, hand me down from top to bottom, and hey, his hands going to places where they don't belong, and I had to spill some water on my shorts, so I had to explain to him it was just water, and then my bag got flagged too.
Oh man.
It was, I don't know, I just feel like my life just fell apart.
No, you're good. You're good.
I'm ready for the lounge, you?
Absolutely. Let's go.
After that traumatizing experience, I knew exactly what he's gonna do, even though he was kind of mumbling jumbling his words, but I didn't want to accept the fact that that was what he was gonna do to me.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers. Iceland.
That's quite the stockade you got there.
All for you, man.
Oh, you're a sweetheart.
Good thing we didn't get anything from Costco. Look at your snack bag.
It's all snacks.
Why do I feel like we're like the post-zombie apocalypse? Do you mind giving me a hand, please?
Sure.
Thank you very much. Sure. Hello. Welcome. Good evening. Thank you. Can you just put it right there, please?
There you go. Oh, no.
Yeah, I don't need that.
Actually, you probably need that more.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Hey, Brian, when do you think they're gonna start making planes big enough for you?
Never.
Look at our legs and knees. We're gonna have to take a COVID test. Hello, good morning. They really stuck that little... Yo, they really stuck that little stick thing all the way in there, huh? It made me tear up a little bit. Now we're just gonna have to go to our hotel, check in, rest a little bit while waiting for the results.
Hey, Darren.
Yo, what's up?
Want to do the Icelandic pledge?
I pledge to be responsible tourist. Yeah, it's a little windy, right? But I'm sure you're used to this weather. So you're from Croatia originally, right? How long have you lived in Iceland for? You came here for summertime and you just love it so much and you decided to stay? Michael, thank you very much. Picking up our ride for the week. We got a 4x4 this time. Oh my God, Brian just dwarfs the lady. First impression of Iceland, majesty of this country. Yeah. 现在刚刚从机场出来，在它的这个 capital city Reykjavik， 我们要去的酒店叫 Alda， 它是 Iceland Air Hotel Chain 其中旗下的一个酒店。这次我们到 Iceland 来，非常有幸的是 Iceland Air Hotel 整个一周在 Iceland 每天晚上酒店的一个居住的一个 accommodation。我也非常兴奋去 explore 一下他们的酒店这个旅行居住场所的一个攻略。Right, B?
Yes, sir.
This guy, a pro, working the parking meter. So we're parking here for 24 hours. How much is it in Corona?
It's like $5.
$5 just for the day? That's pretty cheap, man. It's getting a little cold, huh?
Thank you for telling me to pack my winter coat.
It would have been freezing his toes off, literally. It's the start of June, but it's still a little cold.
Got the wind, it's a little damp.
We're gonna be hiking up to the active volcano in the rain. 同学们，如果想我仔细带大家参观一下第一天入住的这个超级潮的 Alda 酒店的话，你们可以点击右上角的视频链接，跟我们一起去体验哦。Okay, good. 照理说应该4到6个小时会拿到结果，在那个之前我们都不能出这个酒店，还是属于 quarantine 的一个状态。
6.5 and counting. We need this result back.
Fingers crossed. god.
Dude.
It's past 4 o'clock. What's up?
Just got the text.
No way.
We're good.
Oh my god, we're just gonna shoot a video telling people we're still waiting around, man. Got it?
Yeah.
Let me see. You have not been diagnosed with COVID-19.
That's a good sign. Time to get dressed.
Volcano, here we come. Yes! Dude, the car is like loading.
Just trying to keep us on the road.
Getting blown away. Yo, bro. Whoa! 冰岛的风超级大，不是非常理想的状态，让我们去火山。这一个星期很不幸，全都是在下雨。看天气预报，冰岛的 weather changes every 5 minutes, so hopefully it's gonna change soon. 但是现在风在外面刮的哗啦哗啦，雨下的哗啦哗啦。How was the wind out there for just a couple minutes?
Now I
trying to pump gas.
100 words for wind. That's insane. I almost blew away.
You know it's probably going to be worse once you get up to the mountain.
I assume so. So that's why I'm just going to hold on to you like a
teddy bear,
like a spider monkey.
At this point, it's mind over matter.
Exactly.
Look at this rain. 然后我们就在讨论，就说现在是6月份夏天时间嘛，天气都是这样子。Imagine during the winter time, what is it like to live here? Look at the waves, choppy, huh? Want to go surfing, Brian? Want to take a rain check on that?
I think those waves
literally
will tear me up. So yeah, I'll take a rain check.
Probably intended.
Fully intended.
We got volcano on the left hand side, and then we have the ocean waves on the right, ferocious waves. All right, I think we're driving into the volcanic area as we're seeing a lot of rocks and stones being black.
Black lava.
This is it. I think this is the real Iceland.
This is it, man.
I mean, you guys always look at pictures online of Iceland being beautiful and all that. I mean, it is still beautiful.
Super beautiful.
We're seeing Iceland on day 1 at its most natural state.
Agreed.
It's pretty much just us.
It's us.
That's it. I mean, seriously, guys, like, there are no cars on the road. We're the troopers. We could just feel the car shaking and being blown away by the wind. That's the type of dust that we're dealing with here. So no matter what we do, we gotta keep each other 100% safe.
Yes. Safety first. Entrance to hiking.
Is it?
And it's closed.
Whoa. Yo, I feel like my phone is about to get... I'm not sure if we're gonna do this either, bro. The gravels were just flying everywhere and hitting me in the face. I'm not sure if it was gravels or it was like water drops, raindrops.
Yeah, because the wind's so fast.
Yeah.
That the rain feels hard.
Right. I see people. Looks like they're walking towards us. See the world with DJ / extreme weather.
Extreme weather zone.
Well, that wraps it up for this episode.
And cut.
And cut. No, I'm kidding. We're gonna give it a shot. I just don't know how far we can go though. At this very moment, what's going through your head?
An hour hike.
I know. I know what we said. We said about like being brave and like going up, no matter what happens. But this is pretty extreme.
The real question is, can we get any good shots that are worthwhile? Here come some people.
All right. Should we ask?
Yeah.
Oh, you came back. Which way is it? Yo, you gotta go through this path right here. Oh, you don't know? You didn't come back. You're going. Oh, you're trying to go. Us too. Unfortunately, we can't go. You can't really fight against nature, I guess. That's the moral of the story here, huh?
Pretty much. Nature usually wins that battle.
You always gotta look on the bright side, right? Where we have experienced a little bit of Iceland
weather.
Right, the harsh elements in Iceland. 只有保证了我自己的安全，以后才能带大家去更多的地方。All right, well, thanks, B.
Hey, we got here.
It's unfortunate. 就在那边 ，the volcano is right there. 我们只要走个40分钟就到了，但是确实没办法，大家看到风有多大。Sorry, guys, we tried.
Don't get blown away.
This thing would have been turned into an outdoor Jeep instantly. Oh. Ow! That, my leg, bro.
Are you alright?
My leg almost got slammed.
Dude,
that was like a split-second reaction. I pulled my leg in and that door just slammed in my face.
Right, we need to get going. I thought you were gonna get. I thought you were gonna sprain your ankle.
You thought I was gonna really get screwed up, huh? You really have to plant your feet into the ground
and hold on to your car door,
bro. Whoa! Absolutely. Yo, my leg almost just got slammed so hard. Did you catch that?
I think I got it. Yeah.
Ow! There's nothing else I can say.
That's Iceland.
That's Iceland showing off itself to us.
She's letting us know.
She's showing off her sheer power. What we got here? We got some sandwiches, some wraps. Not one kind of guy. You only do one with ladies, I know. Is it kind of like Scrabble?
It's a little bit like that, but yeah.
Connection between people.
You look incredibly handsome yourself.
I know.
Yeah.
Go to Mandara. Can't speak Chinese to you?